just about finished the sanding part of the process. A couple of things to watch out for. Avoid leaving any sand on the surface of the blocks, and make sure your joints are properly filled with no voids. Now, when it comes to the paving itself, whether it's this type of antique paver or this type of brick type paver, they've pretty much all got a 40mm depth. When we're resanding, when we're cleaning properly, most of that is going to be filled with fresh sand. When it comes to sealing, what we're looking to do is saturate those joints, really get the sealer deep into the block and the sand, and set those joints rock solid. If you see this sample here, you really struggle to push any kind of object in the joints. They're really well sealed. As you can see, a secondary benefit is that the sealer itself really brings the block to life and enhances the natural colours. If I'm a professional contractor, I might well be investing in quite an expensive sprayer unit. You need a certain type of sprayer unit to handle the nature of the materials and also the viscosity. But as a kind of one-off or infrequent kind of job, then a standard roller kit combined with a scuttle or a roller tray is absolutely fine to do an excellent job. Now, in terms of using the roller, most important thing to remember is just to let it gently glide across the surface of the blocks. Avoid putting any pressure on there that could draw the sand out. Effectively, if you think of yourself as just literally holding the roller in 2 fingers, that's absolutely perfect. And make sure that there's plenty of sealer on the roller as you're working, effectively creating a kind of tidal wave in front of you. This will ensure that the sealer is penetrating deep into the sand. Now, firstly here, working with the roller, I'm going to do a small area showing how to apply the product correctly. Now we're going to do another small area where, as I say, showing you what to avoid, basically too little sealer on the roller itself. As you can see there, yes, the surface of the colour of the blocks has changed, but the sand in most places is still the same. And I was very much in danger there of starting to drag the sand out of the joints, whereas on this side, where it's been applied correctly, you can see all the sand's changed colour, and the sand is now, if anything, congealed a little bit further down. So certainly avoid this method of application. You're going to achieve very little.